This is it, ladies and gentlemen. The last of my garlics for this growing season of 2025. The last garlic. What I've been doing a lot lately, is cutting the garlic into little tiny bits and putting them in these very small mason jars. Now, I don't fill the mason jars all the way up. They need a little bit of air in there. But once I have the jar about 4/5 the way, I don't know, over 2/3 the way, then very slowly, I'll add the olive oil. You don't have too much in here. And once you see it get near the top, I just use this spoon and just kind of pack it in and make sure that all the garlic chunks are covered in oil. And then after that, I just put the lid on, screw this lid on, and then it's time to put this in my fridge where it'll stay nice and cool and it'll keep for about 7, 8, 9 months. I usually have all my garlic used up by then. Now, one thing to keep in mind while you're doing this is you want to sterilize your jars. So before I started adding my garlic, I just filled a pot with boiling water and I dumped all of the 3 parts of the jar, the lid and that, in the water, sterilized it, let it dry, and then boom, ready to use. Whoa, look at that pumpkin pie. I made this. I baked this. My first time ever baking pumpkin pie. Look how great it looks. Oh wait, I'm talking about garlic. Okay, so here's another thing I want to point out. This is the garlic that I just finished. And these, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is the one that's in use. All of these, I probably use almost 1.5 every single month. One thing I wanted to point out was how it kind of goes snowy and creamy. The very first time I ever did this, I checked on it about a week later and I found that it had gone creamy and I totally freaked out. I thought I had screwed up, but no. So I just wanted to let you know this will happen. It's just because that's what happens when olive oil goes into the fridge. It goes creamy with the garlic. So you can see it's quite a bit of garlic here, and it's quite a bit of work. So that's why I kind of pace out this chore throughout the months of September and October. Enjoy your garlic, folks.